Today we have our annual open house and apprenticeship contest. Students in the 4 trades, cabinet maker, millwright, carpenter, floor layer, are competing to take home a prize. The other side of this is we bring in our vendor partners, so the organizations that support us throughout the year. Some are material suppliers. The open house side is just open the doors to the public to see that this is a quality opportunity. This is an excellent career choice, and nothing against anybody who goes to college, but what we offer here is free. You know, it's tuition free, it's earn while you learn, and we have excellent support throughout the education journey.
You see the apprentices here every day, you see them on job sites. To see high schoolers coming in and showing interest, it's really for the trades and really shows the interests coming into the UBC and the training center on the different opportunities they can have, and really showing and seeing the engagement they have with the tools. It's really rewarding and fun to see.
I saw more high school students here this year than I've ever seen here at our open house. I think it's important to get the word out. We're a good career choice, family sustaining wages and benefits, and even if they're not interested in becoming union carpenters, perhaps they can steer somebody else in this direction.